In today's video, I will show you how to download a video from Viggle AI on your PC, and trust me, it's super easy, so let's jump right in. First, open the Viggle AI website on your browser. Once you are there, log into your account using your email or preferred login method. After logging in, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on Library. This is where all your previously created videos are stored. Now, downloading is super simple. Just hover your mouse over the video you want to download. You will see a small download icon appear. Go ahead and click it. Your video will instantly start downloading to your computer. Alternatively, if you click on the video to open its detailed page, you will also find a download icon there. Click that too and your video will be saved to your device. Once the download is complete, open your browser downloads folder and you will see your Viggle AI video right there, ready to play or edit. So that's how you can quickly and easily download your videos from Viggle AI on your PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.